Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hello app. You click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of Hello app and we click here in this window like this. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.